Hi, Karen from EdibleWildFood.com here, back in the kitchen. And this time I am going to attempt to make, well, I haven't really got a name for it yet, but temporarily I'm going to call it Conifer Doodles. So this is the Edible Wild Food take on snickerdoodles. Milk, icing sugar, regular sugar, butter, brown sugar, and in here I have some cedar, cream of tartar, maple syrup, the real stuff, an egg, baking soda, vanilla, regular unbleached all-purpose flour, and some tamarack or eastern larch. So these are the ingredients, and now it's time to get busy. Okay, so now this is ready to go into the oven, and on this side is cedar, on this side is the tamarack or larch, whichever you prefer. So some of these ingredients I haven't used yet because it will be for the glaze. And away we go. Let's put this in the oven and see what happens. Hi, I'm back. And these are out of the oven. So on the left I have 6 cedars. On the right I have 6 tamaracks or larch. The glaze is ready to go. And once these are totally completed, the taste test begins. Alrighty, so here we go. On the left, as a little reminder, we have the cedar. And look at that glaze, looking good. And on the right is the tamarack. Now, I'm not sure why the tamarack did not rise as good as the cedar, but as long as they taste great, I don't care. So, a little bit of a view on the inside. And there we go. Time to enjoy. Bon appetit, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. It truly is appreciated. Thank you.